Here is the B-Agile child tray. Comes with a tray, and for some reason it came with 2 adapters on the back of the box. It shows the 2 adapters, so I'm assuming it's for a different size stroller.
Okay.
But both adapters work on our stroller. So here are the adapters. This one will say left, L for left, and the R for right. So the left one goes in, right one goes in. And tray snaps in on one side. And then underneath they have pull tabs, which you pull it forward. It's right here. You can lift it like one side from there, and this will stay attached. You can also remove it from that side. You can do it on both sides because there's tabs on both sides. We'll try folding it first with the child tray. Press the button, pull the tab, and the tray sticks out.